Hello everybody. Today I will introduce the zipwhip.com login page. In order to log in your zip zipwhip.com account, firstly you need to type app.zipwhip.com/login into your browser, and then you can see this login page. It is easy to use, as you see, but if you don't have an account, you need to click sign up for a free trial. And let's talk about how to log in into Zipwhip. You can access Zipwhip via your web browser or a browser extension, and the desktop app or the Apple app on your phone. And your credentials will be the same no matter how you sign in. To sign into Zipwhip, firstly, open your web browser and use the URL that app.zapwhip.com slash login, and you have a mobile as you know, the Zipwhip has a mobile app for both iOS and Android. For iOS, go to the App Store and search the Zipwhip, and for Android, go to the Google Play Store and search Zipwhip, and then you need to install the app and find it on your phone, open and log in with your username and password. Okay, and thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like my videos. Thanks a lot for watching.